What is up? I am Omni, and this is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. I want to thank y'all for joining me today, and I want to thank everyone out there for supporting my videos so far. I really appreciate it, and if you do like this video today, remember to slam that like button for me. And as always, if you want to keep following along, subscribe as well. Alright, now today we are continuing my little build project. Ignore the battle music, it's just a crocodile fighting with piranhas. There we go. But we are going to continue my little cliffside project there. As you can tell, I've done a little bit of off-camera work, not a lot, however. I did experiment with doing like a little footpath thing with like ramps and whatnot, trying to follow the cliffside along. I don't know if you can see it, and we don't have crosshairs enabled, but there's a ledge just right up there that, you know, is really nice to walk on. And I thought about using that, but I'm afraid that putting out too much foundations and killing respawning. So instead, what I did was I just built this little pier, I guess you could say, and threw one of those new rope ladders up. Which this was actually a lot of rope ladders. But I can reach it easily from the ground. The only downside is it does take a minute to crawl up. There we go. But as you can see, I got a trap door so I can close it, and with those rope ladders, you can retract the ladders. So, like, you know, that's just a little extra security for when I'm offline and such. That way, the only way people can get here, I guess, is flying, or if they're really brave and come at me from the cliffs up above. But, for now, we'll open that. And if I can find the dang hitboxes. There we go. We'll throw the ladder down. But yeah, as I said, we're going to be continuing the build here. As you can see, I threw up some railings to get like this little walkway thing going and separating what's supposed to be the Flyers parking lot. So, you know, people get off their bird, walk around this way. It intersects with the rope ladder for people that come here on foot. And then we got the door. Now, overall, I was thinking about separating this into two basic areas. The customer area and the work area. Now, I think with that is, I want to keep the customer area kind of small. So let's go ahead and get everything bordered out with these rails here. Okay. Alrighty. So we got that there. And now, oh, you know what? For now, we're gonna keep that open so I don't trap myself out anywhere. But now, we'll go ahead and get these all stacked up here. But as you can see, it's really hard to jump over. I don't know about going all the way up. I don't know about that, but I do like this whole separation area. And, you know, I'm kind of reusing this number from that tree platform for guys that have watched this earlier episodes on the season. And I've already tested it out. You can actually reach through and interact with some things, so I can place certain things close to here that I want people to interact with. And, yeah, that's about all there is to it. And now, what I need next is a way upstairs, and I think... No, that'll basically split it right in half. I think what I'm going to do... Let me put both of these down so I can switch them quickly. But I think I'm going to have my little entrance right here, and then I'm going to have a ramp that'll lead upstairs. Alright, so I think that's the one I want. Alright, so we'll get that there to help guide it. And instead of ramps, I'm kind of liking the more gentle incline that the sloped roofs have. So we'll put that there. And... Oh, am I really going to have to... Okay, so let's see. We will get our walls. And no, that one won't work. Let's see. I need another one of these. Now, I'm really hoping that this will be nice and let me... What? Oh, did that place weird somehow? Oh no, there we go. Alright. Let's just... What? Man. That problem, it just gets to me so much sometimes. Sorry, I had a phone call. Alright, so, what is that? That is right. What is this? That is right. Come on, what is this tricky game here? Okay, there we go. And it all looks lined up. So now can I please get something? Alright, so we got that. Now... Oh, and I'm gonna have to break a little bit more of these than I thought. What? Okay. What? Are these... Did I... Oh, I just need to break this one too. Dang, this is turning out to be a little bit more complicated than I thought. Alright, there we go. And now, for people that are wondering about the double ceilings, I'll go ahead and spoil it. This is a secret floor. And plus, it helps me. I'm going to have to redo this later. But it helps me get these slopes on the outside going on and looking nice. Because, you know, to get that right up against this building, I need an entire section to do it. Okay, now. So let's see about something. What is this? Oh my goodness gracious, green beans here, man. No, I had that snap point totally before. There. That is what I wanted. Thank you, finally. So, let's see. There we go. Now, doesn't that look nice? A right proper little stairwell thingy. And with that, we can go ahead and our next floor up here. Now, I checked the Ingrams, and I don't know, maybe I'm overlooking it, but I don't think there's any thatch windows or window frames. I think there used to be? Here. Yep, I've learned all the thatch. Okay. But yeah, that's why I'm using just the walls here. I could learn the wooden ones, but I don't really want to spend Ingram points if I don't really have to. Quit playing the flippity-dippity here. Okay, fine. Oh, man. You ever just feel like screaming? Okay, fine, you stay that way. No, I don't like using the E button because it doesn't keep things aligned right. Okay. Probably didn't need to make that many. I think I still have walls left in my cabinet. There we go. Now, What is with that? Why is the slope so messed up there? I don't know, but I wonder, can I get rid of this without it just collapsing? And I think I'll just leave that one there. See? Why do I skip when I'm going down? I'll fool with that when I get more proper slopes going on. Alright, but yeah, there we go. I think... Let me try checking for more walls. Okay. Got some of that awesome jitteriness going on today. Alright, let's see if that'll be enough. Alrighty. Sorry I'm not talking a lot. I guess there just really isn't much to talk about with this. I'm just hoping you guys are enjoying, you know, watching it come together. Now, I will go ahead and let you guys in. I have been thinking about this area too. 'Cause, I don't know. I'm not a type of player that likes to take from tribe resources a lot, you know? So, I like to just get my own little things going. But, yeah, I was thinking about possibly doing a garden on that ledge. I don't know. It was just a passing thought. Alright, let's see. Can we get these walls all around without making a mistake? Ooh. Yeah, I didn't expect to already be this high. I'm gonna have to push that in a little bit sooner than I thought. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, now with this, I'll probably end up taking it a couple slopes in. So, yeah. Let's just see if I can't get this to bite. Nope. I need a little guide. Alright. But yeah, this is, like I said before, this is going to be my shopkeep area. I'm going to have all my storage and smithy and, let me see, what else? In the Primitive Plus mod, which we still have, there's the hand mill, which is like an advanced mortar and pestle. I think really the only big advantage is it has more item slots. So it's not as great as the chemistry table, which I don't think we have. I think the mod removed that. No, not. Yeah, so that's gone. So the hand mill is a great addition. I don't know if I'll need one of those tanning racks to make leather, because I don't. Nope, not armor. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any sort of special armor added. And I don't think I'll need anything for saddles like that either. Now, let me see. Were you the thing that screwed this up? It's hard to tell. Oh yeah, I have this mistake from last time I never removed. When I couldn't get a slope to place right. Okay. Alright, I apologize for the jitteriness. I don't know what that is. So, let's just grab enough for a few mistakes. But yeah, now we got nice passage, and I'm loving this. To both the floors, and I swear to God I'll figure that out with the slope. And as far as windows go, there's probably going to be none on this side, of course, because who just wants to look at rock? And then for all the others, I was thinking I'd try to finagle 2 windows in per side. So hopefully that'll look all nice. Okay, anyways, let's see. No. Okay, can I do wall, slope? Oh. No, what am I out of? Wood. Okay, so even if I can't do that, it shouldn't be that bad. Not this door. Yep, probably what I'll end up doing with that ledge there is I might just attach another platform there for my own parking of birds and things. And I've still got all my road crew parked up over here. They're all on neutral. And so I think, you know, as long as they stay together, they can pretty much handle any threat that comes their way. Granted, all we really have here is just dilos and raptors now that we got the ends of the valleys sealed off. What is it with you and not landing on platforms? You'd think you'd be all over a thatch one. I don't know, maybe with this parking area, I might extend it 1 or 2 more tiles. Because it does seem kind of cramped, even for just 1 RG up here. So I can't imagine if, like, 3 people tried coming here at once. Please no jittery. Granted that I don't necessarily need a slope here. Come on. Bite. Didn't you do it before? Am I really gonna need the thingy? I'm really gonna need the thingy. I don't know. I might just have to put up with that rock poking through right there. Huh. Whoops. Well, that kind of stinks right there. Huh. Alright, guys. I think that might be enough for today. Actually, wait, I wonder. Before I let you guys go, can I do some more finagling of things? Nope. I swore I got that snap before. Maybe I was just remembering that and was just hoping and dreaming. Okay, well, I'm not sure if I'm going to go with an even roof, though. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think out there. But, yeah, that's going to be it for today. So, as always, I am Omni. This is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. I want to thank y'all for joining me today and want to remind you that if you like this video, slam that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to keep following along, please subscribe. So, until next time, peeps, play hard and game harder.